Hello, my name is Ahmet Okan from the group Unity Sparks. Today I'm going to present my presentation called One Word, One World. Our word is empathy. Empathy, a bridge to connect hearts. Unity, togetherness, inclusion and belonging. What's empathy? Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. It means putting yourself in someone else's shoes. It's about emotional intelligence and connection. Cornerstones of empathy: understanding, sharing, and supporting. Understanding means recognizing and interpreting emotions. Sharing means creating the common emotional ground. Supporting means making the other person feel your presence. Empathy and unity. Shared emotional experiences bring people together. Empathy allows us to see our common humanity, not our differences. We build stronger communities through mutual support. Empathy and inclusion. Fostering environments where everyone feels valued and heard. Embracing the diverse perspectives and experiences. Creating a world where no one left behind. Empathy and belonging. Strengthening the sense of connection and building trust. Helping individuals feel at home and secure. Cultivate shared purpose and collective identity. Practical steps to cultivate empathy. Be an active listener. Try to understand situations from their point of view. Be aware of your own and other people's emotions. Turn understanding into supportive actions. Conclusion: living empathy. Empathy is not just an emotion, but a transformative experience. Let's integrate empathy into our daily lives, one small step at a time. Embrace empathy for a more understanding and humane world. Thank you for listening.